Welcome to LearnWire. Today we're going to be looking at Copywise. Copywise just released on Appsumo, a few days ago. Brand new software. Of course, it's in the AI writing industry or niche of softwares. Of course, we always like to look at these softwares, but there's been so many released that I'm somewhat critical of these. I have become more critical of them just because there's so many out there. At a certain point, when you have 20 of these tools, lifetime deals, it becomes harder to convince yourself that you need to buy one, right? So this is just going to be an honest review. We're going to go check out the software. I actually, without even signing up for a free account or anything like that, I went ahead and went and purchased the software. And I'm going to test it out and use it a little bit. And if I end up really liking it, I may end up buying that. You can stack up to 3 codes with this. I just got the tier 1 because I want to check out the software and give a full review for you guys. So picked up the software. And the thing that why I was not hesitant to pick up the software is because it's created from let's look over here at from the founders. They are expert Facebook and TikTok ex-employees. They've built several e-commerce stores. These are, professional copywriters that created the tool. And where does it say that it was also from? Right here. Created by marketing professionals at TikTok, Meta, what is that? Accenture? Don't know what that one is, but I do know Riot Games. Riot Games is one of the biggest online PC platforms or gaming creators in the world, pretty much ever. Riot Games created this game called League of Legends, which is one of the biggest, if not the biggest, online player, mass online multiplayer games of all time. There's people that do it full time, and there's full blown tournaments and all that. So definitely a trustworthy brand, Riot Games. It's one of the only games that I've played and that I continue to still play. Don't play much anymore, but still definitely this is a backed company. So if they're associated or they worked with Riot Games, that's just kind of nice to throw that in there as well. So they've worked with some really big brands, or the employees came from some really big brands. So just kind of helps build the trust, and also where the possibility of this tool, where it can actually go, because these software engineers have seen some very big tools, right? So that just kind of helped. And we'll just look at the reviews real quick. There's looks like there hasn't been a bad review yet. There's been 15 reviews. I'll come over here and look at see if there's anything that stands out by going ascending or descending. They're all 5-star reviews, and there's 15. So you can look through those and look at how old the accounts are. But I've read through most of the reviews. It seems very genuine and honest of the reviews. Some of the people have, like this person right here, they've bought 852 reviews since 2020. That is just crazy. And they left them a really good review. And then they also put a wish list of things that they would like them to improve and so forth. So everything checks out on the sales page. I think that this is what I really like to look for too is right here from the founders. How much effort did they put into the sales page on Appsumo, right? So you come down here, you push read more, and then look at this entire a bit of information that they've put through here that shows what the tool's about, where they would like to be heading, what their goals are kind of as a company. And I just think that it's explained well. So you can read through that as well. Now the pricing, Appsumo pricing right now as it stands is, if you get tier 1, looks like you can stack 2 codes on top. So you can get a total of 3 codes for this particular software. Tier 1 at $39. That is pretty, I think that you're getting a good deal here because I've already played with the software a little bit. And I think it's right. It kind of reminds me of like where Writer was at with their tier 1. I think it's just right at the right point. I'm glad that they're not starting off at the $59, $69, $79, $79 price point. I just think that's too high, especially for the 150 generations per month. And I'll show you what the generation is when we get into the demo the software. But I think that the pricing is really good at $39. I like that they kind of went on the lower end. I really like that. So pretty generous with the pricing. I think that if you need a copywriting tool that's unique to making ad copy, for you, then this would be a tool that you would want to pick up. And you might want to stack 2 codes and just go ahead and get the tier 3, get 500 generations per month. So you don't have to worry about running out of codes. I think if you use the tool heavily, you're going to run out of the 150 codes for sure. So for this particular offer, unless if you're just doing a couple ads a month, then the tier 1 is going to work just fine. But if you're going to use it a little bit on the heavier end, you're definitely going to want tier 2 or tier 3. And let's go in and demo the software now. So we're inside the tool over here. And let me just kind of preface this whole thing by saying, because I've already used it, you can see right here, I've used 10 of my generations of my 150 quota. Well, let me just say that, like, if you have Copy.ai or Jasper, like, you don't need this tool. They have they have extremely good copy in those tools. This is just not something that you're going to need. And it's nothing against Copywise at all. It's just that you don't need this tool if you have some of those other tools, those other paid tools. You can probably get away with even using Word Hero and those other tools to write ad copy as well. So I'm just kind of putting this out there, not even based on quality, because I actually really kind of like this tool as I just used it briefly before this review, just to kind of get to know it a little bit before I bring the review to you. But just being completely honest with you, it's not one of those dire need tools that you need to rush and go pick up right now. If you already have a bunch of AI writing tools, you're probably not going to need this. But if you're like me and you like to collect these AI writing tools, because if one takes off and it's the next Copy.ai or it's the next Jasper, then you don't want to miss out on that, right? So there's this kind of game that we play, right, as sumo wings, buying these tools. When it's that next tool that could blow up and be this amazing, high quality, one of the best AI copywriters on the planet, you don't want to miss that opportunity when they leave. And just think about it. All the tools that started off on AppSumo that never came back because they blew up, and they have over 3 million visitors coming to their site per month, and the tool blew up. You don't want to miss out on that. So there's my little rant on that. I think Copywise actually has a chance to develop into a giant tool. It has a really brandable name, Copywise.ai. I love the name of it. I love the brand. It's very similar to Copy.ai. It's just adding in one little 4-letter word right there, Copywise.ai. It just sounds really good. Right out of the gates, the UI is very clean and very simple to use. I love that as well. And I like the overall simplicity of using the tool. You guys know that I like simple workflows and simple processes. I don't like when they add a million things over here and then you get lost using the tool. I don't like that. I want people to be able to use a tool and it's helpful to them, and it's really easy for them to use, and not searching for if you're spending 40% of your brain power trying to figure out how to use a tool, then you're missing out on actually the benefits of using the tool, right? So far I'm very impressed with the layout of the software, especially for being in beta and just launching. They've got so much that they can they can only go up from here, right? But they're starting off at a pretty good starting point, in my opinion. So just to summarize one more time, you don't need to be running to the doors to purchase this software, because it's not really doing a bunch more than some of those other tools that you've bought are doing. But the difference between this is that they can have a leg up on the actual advertising copy and sales copy that they're generating, because it's coming from professional sales copy people that worked for giant companies like TikTok and Facebook and so forth, right? And Riot Games, some massive multi-billion-dollar companies, and you're getting developers from those, or either the developers or the ad copy people that worked for those companies. So needless to say, now let's jump in. Yes, very long intro, but that's why people tune into mine. If you're looking for just a really quick a really quick demo of the tool, and then me tell you to go and purchase the software so that I get an affiliate commission, then that's not really this channel. This channel is I do take my time explaining after looking at the tools and doing this full time, I want you guys to kind of see the tool right out of the box and kind of look at it from different angles, different perspectives. I try to kind of open your thought process in your mind to different things like, do you really need the software? No, but here's why maybe you should get it, right? Or if you guys have seen me pick apart softwares as well, if it's just terrible user interface, the copy is bad, everything, the support's bad, I'm going to let you guys know that, right? So you guys tune in for honest, in-depth reviews. This is not, so that's why the intro is kind of long. So let's move into kind of looking at the software now. So over here on the left-hand side, you have dashboard, tools, editor, strategy hub, and roadmap. Really, really simple stuff right here. And I am going to cruise through some of this stuff because I think that the everything that I've explained up to this point is more important than me, going over their roadmap, right? But here's the dashboard, really, really simple. You can actually see the updates down here. You can't scroll down any further. It's like on lock mode right here. It's kind of crazy, but you can go through and see the different things and when they actually did some bug fixes, tool updates, and so forth. You can leave a review, a new message from the founder if you want to look at that. You can add more. It's really easy to stack more codes. All you have to do is just click in here and push redeem. So if you go and grab more codes, I like that. Not all these softwares make it that easy to actually go in, even to sign up, right? And Copywise made this really easy to sign up and put in my code. So that was really cool. And then you have your quota right here on the dashboard. So really cool. Like I said, user interface and the simplicity. I really like it. I also like the colors, the orange and red and kind of pinkish color. In orange, instead of all the apps seem like they've all catered towards blue and different shades of blue and so forth. So it's kind of nice to see a different color. Cool stuff. Let's go to the roadmap real quick. Here's the roadmap. You're going to see our plans to implement, be able to save copies. I believe they've already kind of done that. We'll look at that in a minute. Add library, great examples, info, page building. We can go in here and simply upvote these as well. User feedback ideas, group copy by brand, Canva integration, dark theme mode, brand workspaces, review responder, long form writer. Let's see where they take this. Will they create some type of blog writer? Of course, that's what we want. Most of us are doing, are blogging and doing niche websites. So long form writer. I think that would be really cool. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can upvote this. I'm not sure. It did. It let me, and then it even highlights it in yellow if I've actually upvoted it. So that's super cool. We just moved this up a notch. That's cool. Social login and sign up. Not really sure because I think that they said on the sales page they're going to integrate some type of social media into this as well, where we could actually create social media posts and then publish directly to social media. So interesting stuff. I wouldn't buy the tool for that necessarily. I would buy this specifically for if you run ads and you need ad copy right now at the time of launch. That's what I would go with. And then they've done TikTok copy generation, product descriptions, and so forth. So they've been working on this. It looks really cool. Strategy hub. I'm not going to spend too much time on this, but here's where you basically get kind of a crash course on marketing copy. There's different types of frameworks, people that are unaware of your product and how to go about making them aware. You use stories to do that. Problem aware, solution aware. I mean, literally right here, if we just took all this information right here and it's all nice and condensed, a lot of people charge money just for that information. They'll charge you, $100 for a course or $1,000 just to learn, the 4 stages of an audience and how to promote to them. But you're getting that for free inside of here. Looks like they're going to be adding more things right here. So you can go and get a lesson on angle generator guide, right? So literally, I like the way that they're doing this tutorial right here. It's not really video based. They're going to explain everything right here in text. And then they also kind of show you what, where this is at inside the tool. So this is where you can get training. Strategy hub. I really like that. So they do have an editor. We can come in here and we have different copy. I'm going to go over this in a minute with you, but we can go and grab this. Now, I don't think I hope that they're watching this video, they should need to put like a copy button or a little arrow that goes to the right. And within each one of these copies that we have already saved, we could just push a button and it would automatically go over to the to like the blank canvas over here, right? So I think that that's, instead of me having to come over here and go like that and copy and paste, make it as easy as you can for the user and just make a left click and then it comes right over there. So, and then you can basically save this as a bundle and then push create, and then it will save it as kind of like a project, if you will. I think that this part right here is going to get, if I had to make a guess, this is going to get rehauled at some point. It's not the most intuitive or easy to use. And I think that this section right here will be improved in the future. So I wouldn't worry too much about this. At least they have this as a feature. A lot of the tools come to the market and they don't even have this as a feature, right? So I'm not being too critical of this right here. But we're going to go over here to the main feature, tools. Now look, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 13, 14, 15. We have 16 tools right out of the gate, not too shabby. And if you read through all of these, they're all script related, they're marketing hook related, a lot of hooks right here. And I like that because it's almost like your marketing hook or script generator on steroids. And that is what's going to separate Copywise from the other AI copywriters. So if you are big on TikTok or Instagram or Facebook, and you're really big on advertising, or you want to create 30-second to 1 minute, clips for TikTok and such, then this would be a tool that I haven't seen some of these in many of the other tools. So this is their unique selling point. They're really big on sales copy and so forth, right? I did notice that they 8 out of 10 people only read headlines. They don't have a headline generator in here. So they do need to create a headline generator, as that is the first step in marketing copy. They do need to create a headline generator right here. But you can come through here, your perfect hook, and you're going to just put in your product or service. I already have mine. I'm going to go copy it. And you're going to just throw this in right here. You're going to pick a hook right here: offer, promise, a big secret, problem, proclamation, story hook. I'm going to go to story hook and see what they come up with. Affiliate Profits Academy, that's one of my products. Here's what it came up with. When I had to quit my corporate job, I was scared about how to make a living. Little did I know that a simple online course could turn my life around and help me make. And then it stops right there. It would be cool if it didn't stop. I would love to see them develop this into where it'll at least finish its sentence or its last thought. But I mean, I think that's pretty good, right? And so what I just clicked right there, that's 1 credit, right? Out of the 150 that I get for the month, that's 1 credit. So you just want to be aware of that. I'm going to go and create one more. I want to go to let's go to an offer hook maybe and see what it comes up with for Affiliate Profits Academy, one of my courses. Speed wise, it's not the fastest, like it's not lightning fast, but it's also not, definitely not on the slow side as well. So I think it's right there in the medium. You kind of want it to take a little bit of time. So you know that something's going on in the background and it's not just some algorithm that is just instantly pumping out, copy for you. So I don't mind waiting, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, for good copy. So we've got this. We've got discover the secrets of passive income through affiliate marketing with our Affiliate Profits Academy program. That's really, really good. And then if you want to save it, it's just going to take it down to the bottom. You just push save, and it's going to go down to the bottom down here. And it's going to tell you this was just an offer hook. We have call to action. We have feature to benefit, the agitation. I'm going to show you more about this because we have goal agitation. We have regular agitations, hook, agitation. Okay. Get 50% off your first month. Blah, 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 with our step-by-step guide to making 6 figures a year in affiliate marketing. Now is the time to join and get started. So it gave us some good copy. I don't think this isn't cutting edge, years above like Copy.ai or Jasper. It's not. From so far what I'm seeing, it's really you're going to be paying for because I'm going to show you a really technical one where they take you through 4 steps and everything, and you can really create some good marketing copy. But again, I go back to this. If you already have a membership and you're not planning on leaving Jasper or Copy.ai, I wouldn't go and, cancel your monthly membership with them and then go and pick this tool up. I would pick this up to have it in the background in case these guys blow up like Copy.ai or Jasper. Then you could at some point potentially let go of your monthly plan and then go with your monthly plan your lifetime plan on Copywise, right? So far I'm not seeing anything that makes me say that this is a must tool and you have to have this tool. But what am I seeing? I am seeing that it creates really good marketing copy and could be a great tool to add to your toolkit. Okay, so I know I've said that. I'm kind of like really reiterating that a lot, but I just I want you guys to kind of be aware of just why you would want to buy this tool and maybe why you wouldn't want to buy the tool. All right, I'm going to go back. We're over here and you can see there's all kinds of different stuff. I think that I want to test out a product description, and then I'm going to come back over here and end with showing you one of the other ones. There's way too many tools in here for me to show you all of them, but now that I own the software, I can make more videos. So make sure to subscribe to LearnWire. I'll create more videos. And if you see any of the modules in here that you really want me to make like a full video about or something like that, leave a comment below, leave a comment and just, add, do something on social proof or do something on the list features to benefits module or the story invitation, something like that. And I'll just create a video for you guys. Okay. So let's go over here to product description. I'm going to push start. And you can see it's just real simple. I really, really like the UI. We're going to come over here and we're going to put our product in right here. It does say to make it descriptive, and that's why I didn't just say Affiliate Profits Academy, because I don't know if this is going out and finding information about my course and then writing about it. It wants you to add this, the rest of this is, what is this? Well, it's a course that you can learn how to make 6 figures per year online with affiliate marketing. That's what this course is, right? So I'm being as descriptive as I can. I could even take it further by saying with an emphasis on YouTube or something like that, right? Features. So what is this right here? It doesn't have a add up to 6 features. So I'm going to say how to get free traffic to your offers. And I don't know if I pushed return, if it does anything. No. If I pushed return, it literally just clicked the button, and I don't want it to do that. So that means that you have to put a comma here to the other 6. And what I think they should do is add in 6 boxes right here to make it clear so we can add as many as we want into the boxes right here. Okay. So now how to get free traffic to your offers, how to utilize the power of YouTube to make affiliate sales. So I added 2 in there, right? And this is just this little tiny box, and it can get kind of hard to count how many you have. So this is just some feedback. I would add 6 little boxes that we can add our benefits to. It's template based at that point, and I really, really like that kind of software and the UI of that. So the functionality, right? So that's what I would recommend them doing, but I'm going to go ahead and generate again. We have the course, we have a good description, and then we had added in 2 features. Let's see what it comes up with. You can see up here the dial right here. This is the status bar, this little orange bar up here, and it's done. So this first one's kind of a wash, right? Didn't do anything, but we have a hook right here. Transform your life and achieve financial freedom with this ultimate guide to becoming a successful affiliate marketer. That's great. We can save the copy and it just goes to the bottom right there. So really useful tool right out of the gate while they're in beta, just launched. It's a very, very accessible and easy to use tool, I must say. Here we go. It gave us some really good copy here. How to get free traffic to your offers, generate an endless supply of leads and sales with this comprehensive course on how to get free traffic to your affiliate offers with proven tactics and strategies to increase website traffic and conversions. You'll be able to get the most out of your affiliate marketing efforts and make more money. It's a full-fledged ad copy. I think it's even better down here, how to utilize the power of YouTube to make affiliate sales, get the most out of YouTube advertising with this ultimate course, or in the fundamentals of YouTube advertising. And so it's not a YouTube advertising course, but you can use this copy and go and change it to free traffic or free YouTube traffic, right? So then you just push the save right there, save button. Okay. Let's go back over to the tools section real quick. And let's go over to show you the final. So that was product description. We're going to show this one over here. I think it's Short Script Builder. Okay, so we have the Discovery Script Builder, which is similar. If we go here, you're going to see that there's next steps right here, right? You're going to generate, and then it's going to take you on to the series of steps. I believe about 4 steps. Super cool. It's great for short videos, ads such as TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, etc., with a focus on the problem or the solution where, right? So if you're struggling to kind of understand what the problem, solution, and kind of where you're at with on the marketing, your marketing angle, You can go to the Strategy Hub. We come right over here to Strategy Hub, and then they're going to go ahead and explain it to you right here. This is where they explain, the unaware, the problem, solution, product aware, fully aware. Okay, the type of ad and the type of tool that you use in here are going to change depending on where you're at, right, and what your goals are for that particular ad. So that just shows you that they do get really technical with the type of ad that you're building, which is really cool. We're going to come back over to tools, and I already used the short script builder. I just wanted to show you it. I have all the results right here, but I'll just kind of take you through it one more time. Let me go and grab my copy. So I'm going to actually, because you can see right here, previous step, we already finished all the steps right here. So I'll just take you through it. Let's go back over here. It looks like I have to push the previous step button. There's no button. I can't see any button that just lets me reset everything. They probably need to have a button, restart or clear. They need to have a clear button. And I don't see that anywhere. So that's just a little UI critique right there, or functionality critique. I'm just going to go previous step, and cool, previous step. And that's great. I can just walk you through previous step. So this is what it's going to look like when you arrive right on on this tool. I put in Affiliate Profits Academy, learn how to make 6 figures per year online with affiliate marketing. Problem or goal, not making any affiliate commissions, right, online. And that's generally what the problem that we're trying to solve is. If you're an affiliate marketer, you're trying to learn how to make sales and make commissions. There's just a huge gap between the person that hasn't made $1 online and the person that's making over $100,000 a year online with affiliate marketing. And so that is generally the problem that people are having. Well, I don't know how to make commissions online. So what is your course going to do to help solve that? So we put that in there. That's the problem. Or you can put a goal on there to make $100,000 a year online or something like that. So that would change. But I'm going after the problem on this one. So I really like this hook generator because you can use a problem or a goal. You probably want to start off with a problem first because if anything that I know about marketing, you want to kind of raise that issue or that problem that people are having, like lose weight or something, right? It's just going back to, marketing 101. You want to talk about the problem first, and then you want to bring in like the solution, right? So you can pick your hook over here, big secret hook or the problem solution hook. Now, I don't know which one I went for, but I think I probably went for this one, big secret hook. I pushed generate and I got the big secret hook. Yes. And I think I saved it. Did I save it over here? No, I didn't. But are you struggling to make money with affiliate marketing? Stop wasting time and start earning serious commissions with a little known strategy. So you can save that copy. Ideally, you want to save them in conjunction so you know kind of what order they should be in, right? Then you just move to the next step. And the next step is the goal agitation. I chose goal, but you can choose the problem, right? So we went with goal agitation here. And you can see that I had the goal right here. You've been working hard to make money online, but you're not seeing any results. Every day feels like a struggle, and it can be disheartening, right? And we have that over here too. I just copied it over here. You need an effective system that helps you generate high quality traffic fast, create profitable campaigns in no time, and make consistent affiliate commissions with minimal effort. So those are all true things. And then I did a problem one as well, right? So by going with the problem and pushing enter, I came up with this one, Copywise, I should say, came up with this one. Trying to make a living online can be tough. You've heard about the success that people have had with affiliate marketing, but you just can't seem to get your own business off the ground. Again, that's pretty true. You've tried multiple courses, but there's too much information offered in an unorganized way, limited support from course instructors, not enough. And then, so right here, number 3 would not be, you'd have to come up with something right there, but it did a good job right there. So then you go next step, and then here's where you do the intro and feature to benefit right here. And you fill out some information, features, things that they hate, too much information to follow and no results, right? So all kinds of good stuff. The goal is to start making a daily affiliate commission. So you fill this out. I like this template based, and then it comes out and it wraps it up into a really nice paragraph, marketing ad copy right there. So all in all, really, really good stuff. Go back to the dashboard, or I guess just go back over to AppSumo real fast. The plan starts at $39 a month. This is Copywise, and it's it's an alternative to Copy.ai and Jasper. It's best for copywriters, e-commerce website owners, and marketers. So really, really good stuff. This is not your long form blogging AI. They haven't confirmed if that's something that is down the pipeline at all. I don't know if they want to become a full-fledged. But if I had to make a guess, they probably will cater to the people that pick this tool up, as everyone's going to want a long form blog editor as well. I think that this is, a keeper. I think that this is one that I'm going to invest my money into and see where they go. The effort that they put into the beta and the launch of the software already beats most of the AI writer tools that I've seen on AppSumo over the last year, and that's saying quite a bit. So all in all, I really like the software. I picked it up for myself, but I am saying that you have to kind of know where your business is at and what you need in your business. I see the value in this and want to see where they go in the next year or two, Copywise. But this is not an absolute needed tool for you. If you don't need a lot of marketing copy and you already have some of the other ones, you could probably pass on this one. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, hit that like button. It really helps out. And if I brought any value to you, make sure that you're subscribed so you don't miss out on more honest, really, really deep dive, in-depth reviews like this one. I'll see you in the next video.